Morning, hope you everybody's doing okay. So right now today's Sunday, which is Mother's Day. Come on. Anyway, don't laugh after that. I'm preparing some turkey neck and I don't know what, maybe rice and peas, maybe rice, maybe yam, I don't know as yet. So I'm just going on the floor. Chin in the kitchen, she's gonna make some mango juice, but she have vlog, so you guys can see what she's doing on her end on her channel. So I just actually come on this to just actually start the vlog now. So yeah, so let's go into the kitchen and see what Mama's cooking in the kitchen. Okay, and guys, but then, oh yes, I'm gonna start vlog, guys. I started going live on Instagram. Okay, so I want you guys to come on and join. And all these things, we'll talk about everything we talk about.
But they still like,
and everybody knows some of the life, like
everybody talking about things.
So, but that's fine. If you don't have an Instagram, that's fine. It's got to be on YouTube, so you can either watch on YouTube or
you can either watch it on YouTube. Watching.
So, let's go in the kitchen. I think so. So let's see what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Like yourself.
Oh no, I don't know when the flag can go up. Look, no man can do what a mother can do. And a piece of mother better than none. So big up on yourself. If you're not upcoming mother, big up on yourself. Long time big woman mother, big up on yourself and all that. Big up on yourself.
And big up the father them who play the mother role. So
yeah, big up the father them who play the mother role. Don't forget now.
Hey, big
up the father that play the mother role. Who not daddy for real.
And big up the symbol.
The sister them and the brother them who play the mother role.
Yeah, the sibling also. Big up on yourself. Everybody who just take care of the younger one them.
Big up on yourself.
What like a mother? Big up on yourself. So, but don't talk.
Yeah, you have to don't talk.
Alright. So yeah. Some turkey neck, I cleaned it already. Some other milk can come out. So I'm gonna season it now with some powder seasoning.
Like your mommy.
So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and then I'm gonna finish and edit my video.
She cook me food. She make me stronger.
Finish and edit my video.
I can testify, mommy, I love you.
So finish my video and get back to you, okay? Thank you, Happy Mother's Day. Me and my damn people are Happy Mother's Day. In due time, people, in due time, we'll find the right one. But then again, I never know if it's the right one. But anything I meet at me, thank you everyone who's telling me Happy Mother's Day. I'll be a good mother in the future. Guys, I'm just going to the shop. Me and munch on cheesies. I'm buy some things, put on my bag. In the other bag, I can take a bus, so I'm only good. Oh, so nice. So, the mothers on this, what you guys did for Mother's Day, what you guys got for Mother's Day, let me know in the comments. So, yeah. Guys, I don't have to season it up, you know. You know, you have to have your onion, your sweet pepper, your pepper, your garlic, your pimento, your scallion, your thyme, your browning, your all-purpose, your chicken seasoning. And you know, if you want to add a little jerk seasoning, yes you can. So, and the peas are going, you know, where you go? Peas are going. That's what I'm doing here. Okay, so, just add the ramen in the water to go have in the meanwhile while I prepare my dinner. So, and this one is actually the chicken, so just let it stay in there and boil. So yeah, this is my ramen. I add pimento. I love pimento. I add some thyme and I add some all-purpose for the flavor. So that's what I do when I make ramens. So Yeah. Because right now I'm actually editing my video while cooking. Right? You have to be multitasking. As usual, I do this every day. So I want to edit this right now so you guys can see this at the time. And the video don't post it. So I'm gonna do this right now and I check pound pots. So yeah. Just put in the meat. I'm gonna go and get some color first before I add some water and cook it down. You know? Turkey neck, guys, I love turkey neck. Where's it full of pepper? Yeah. Bubble, 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 bubble. So that's what up. Guys, I'm just gonna test the peas now. Let's see if it's ready. Let's test the muffin like this. Not ready. So if I go on, you know, a pressure. So yeah. This is my dinner, courtesy by me, and Chin make mango juice. So yes. Before I even start eat some food, I have to tell you something, but not tell nobody. So I tell you, I say, I'm just busy. I focus on my video for go upload, right? Good girl have on the rice, the peas on the stove. So now, I put in like a season. I go sun. So now when the rice almost done, guess I'm gonna forget to put in. Now give me a minute for comment and tell me what on the thing say. I forget to put in. I say guys, when the rice done cooking now, guess I'm gonna say. I'm sure. Guys, I forget to put in the coconut milk powder. For the rice and peas, I forget to put in the coconut milk powder. Petagaye. But anyways, I know the food tastes good with or without the coconut milk powder because I make cookies. I say, girl, it's my Friday. I say, oh. I'm going to tell Chin still. Chin said, oh, you forget the coconut milk powder and the rice and peas. I said, girl, I got this. I'm going to slap it up, guys. Come look at some people in the country, you know, and well, I don't really know. Well, I'm assuming so, I'm not everybody use coconut milk powder or coconut, whatever. But nevertheless, me cook it so it has to taste good. So we're gonna taste it together. Now I'm gonna see what China says about the food first. I give my coconut milk powder for the next something. Okay. Chin.
Full of chat, I'm now to kick back. Food bad.
Without the coconut powder. So it
tastes good, guys. When I say just make me taste it, yeah, me too. This is not ready. Then when I share it now, it tastes good.
Because I need to cook it. So guys, so that's simple. Me say you don't have to have coconut milk powder
to cook rice and peas.
Let me cook that. Yes. Alright. But I'm not someone not gonna laugh for me. That's a Petagaye, but you're going to say yeah, chef. Guys, I was busy editing a video to post. So it's make me forget it. Oh no, come here, say, I'm supposed to post it, I'm going to post it. I'm going to post on video for post. I'm going to just post it. Nevertheless, even if it is spoiled, but still that eat it. Because no food not going to wait for time to add. And time to add. Because you mind just what you make, you know? And look how many want to go out and go buy some of like ice cream, like so maybe I'm going to see if I can whip an ice cream man. I'll buy some ice cream car. You might soon come back, who knows? Hopefully we'll come back. If not, I have to come and grab my ice cream out of the fridge and tell them want it. Yes. Guys, my grandfriend Oscar still ready. Long time I not see him. I hear him up and come back from my house. It's curfew time. It's exactly 6 o'clock. I'm just leave out 6 o'clock because I don't really live far. Guys, I can't show you where my friend lives. Just know that he lives on the same road like me, and it's not very far. My belly full. Food tastes good. So yeah.